Hello, yo. Hello, Isai. So, for today's video, we are going to visit one of these Filipino restaurants here in Plano. Dito yan, again, sa Plano, Texas, Preston Road. Yan ang mga products na sinasell nila dito. Pupunta tayo dito, love, pagkadating mo sa US. Hello, how are you, kuya? You're good? Alright, kumusta?
I'm just gonna get barbecue.
So, ano orderin niyo? Barbecue?
I'm just gonna get barbecue, that's it.
Okay. Tagal ko hindi kumain ng rice eh. Like 2 weeks yata, hindi ako nagra-rice. Bigla ako nag-crave ng rice this time. Kaya, adaling ka namin dito, kain tayo dito. So yun lang guys, gusto kong makita nyo yung neighborhood namin dito sa Plano area. May 3 Filipino restaurants dito in the area. Hindi sila magkakalapit, ano sila, like nakakalat ba or separated or something. Hello, yo. Hello, Isai. So for today's video, we are going to visit one of these Filipino restaurants here in Plano. It's called Kabayan. What's the name of it? Kabayan Filipino Store. So obviously it's a Filipino restaurant. They got Filipino products, groceries, and of course my food. So we're gonna check it out. I'm with my daughters, Caitlin and Danny. So what are we waiting for? Let's go see what this place has to offer. All right, guys, let's go. So, andito tayo sa Plano, Texas. Kabayan Restaurant. So, i-review lang natin. And, ito yung place. Right there. So, we're gonna go and check it out and see kung masarap talaga dito kumain. Go in the photo, guys. Come on.
The sun.
Okay,
Hot.
let's go ahead. Let's see what they got inside. Ayan siya, guys. Nandito yan sa Plano, Texas. So, all right. Let's go.
Why aren't you opening the door?
Yung surroundings. So, I'm gonna twist it around para makita niyo yung area. Mag-walk through muna tayo. Makita natin yung area.
Alright, let's see what they get.
Meron din sila mga groceries.
Yeah.
Ayan. Siopaw. All kinds of stuff. Meron sila. Yung mga yan. Nandito yan, again, sa Plano, Texas, Preston Road. Yan ang mga products na sinasell nila dito. Pupunta tayo dito, love, pagkadating mo sa US. I'll take you here para makita nyo yung ano.
It's
Ayan na,
back.
meron na pala eh. Guys, oh. Only one? Okay, so apparently, yung Jufran na ketchup and the UFC, guys, na-ban yan dito sa US. But now, here they are. Pati yung mga spaghetti sauce, andyan na rin. Ayan sila. Ayan.
It's finally back.
Diba? It's finally back.
I think it's because they changed their recipe though.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Yeah.
So, ito yung place nila. Maganda yung place, di ba? It's a nice place. Meron silang, every now and again, meron silang mga live performance dito. So, punta lang kayo dito. Ayan, marami silang mga snacks. So, dito yung check natin yung mga food nila. Ito yung place nila, maganda, di ba? Ito yung menu.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Good luck sa copyright. I might have to do this again, baka may copyright eh. Hello ate. Ha?
Magkano po ang bayad dyan?
Bayad. Good luck ako sa copyright. Dinuguan, adobong pusit, curry chicken, adobong manok, Bicol Express, menudo, tapos meron sila ding nilaga, and sinigang, and pinakbet. Ayan. Yun yung ano nila. Tapos meron din silang yung kitchen nila, maganda naman, ayan. Malinis dito, guys. Tsaka maganda yung ano nila, setup nila. Okay na yun. Ganda yung setup nila, no? Anyways, you guys go ahead and order. It's fine.
What do you want? I don't know what I want. I think I just want barbecue, low-key. Yeah, tell her. Do they have
Order na
lumpia?
tayo ng
No.
food. Good luck sa copyright. Tingnan natin kung makakalusot. Kaya lang may microphone ako, dinig na dinig, guys. Anyways, anong orderin natin? What are we gonna order? Hello, how are you, kuya? You're good? Alright, kamusta?
I'm just gonna get barbecue.
So, ano orderin niyo? Barbecue?
I'm just gonna get barbecue, that's it.
Okay. Come on, let's go. You want sinigang? Okay.
So Kaylin, get the double plate so you could choose two different ones and you can get sinigang and I'll get barbecue since I only want one thing and you want one thing.
Can I get a double plate and then for here?
Yeah, it's gonna be for here, ate. What are you ordering?
That.
Barbecue and sinigang.
Sinigang. Okay. And you?
Just the barbecue is for me and then the sinigang is for Caitlin.
Okay. You're just gonna order sinigang?
Barbecue and sinigang.
Barbecue. And sinigang. Ayun, yung sinigang. Okay. What am I gonna order? Did you already?
Caitlin. No, nothing else. Just for my dad.
You're not gonna order anything?
No, the barbecue's mine.
Oh, okay. Ate, ano lang yung sa akin, yung dinuguan. And ano ate, ano ba? Dinuguan and adobong pusit. What rice are you gonna eat, Danny?
Huh?
What rice are you gonna eat?
That
You're just
rice.
gonna have?
I'm gonna
Oh, okay. Go ask for another plate. Ate, pahingin na isa pang plate po if you don't mind.
I'm gonna get this drink. Is this?
Dinuguan. Thank you. And adobong pusit. Sarap ng mga food nila dito, guys. I like the food here. Thank you, ate. Ano pa? What do you guys want to drink? Go get me calamansi if they have it. All right. So,
Just need to scan the drinks.
hello y'all.
So
We're back. Ayan, in order namin adobong pusit, dinuguan, and pork barbecue, and sinigang. All right, let's go eat then. Hello guys.
Just the drink I want.
Calamansi juice.
I got C2, but it's kind of really sweet.
Titikman natin guys yung sinigang na sabaw. Sabaw muna. Ooh, damn. Okay. That's good stuff, man. Masarap yung sabaw ng
try.
sinigang. Ito naman, try naman natin yung pusit. Adobong pusit. Adobong pusit.
Me personally, I don't like sinigang, but it's okay.
Hmm? May plastic pa. Sarap naman siya. Adobong pusit is good. Sarap ba yung sinigang mo? Is it soft? Guys, dinuguan. Pagsikan yung kanin.
That's what you gotta do. I chose blue. For my reason. I don't know if you guys can see. Because I'm like kind of far away, but yeah.
We're gonna bring Tita Eliza here when she comes.
Yeah, I think she'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's good here.
Masarap yung dinuguan nila, guys. Pati yung adobong pusit, masarap. Yung barbecue nila dito, masarap talaga. Meron
I'll
pang,
just leave the mic here in case one of us wants to.
meron pang dalawang Filipino restaurants dito. Ita-try din natin yun. Para ma-compare natin yung flavor. Hindi natin sila pagko-compete sa isa't isa. Tatry lang natin kung ano yung lasa ng pagkain ng iba. Although nakainan ko na rin yun. Okay naman sila. Gusto ko lang makita nyo din. Just in case nandito kayo sa Plano area. Meron kami 3 Filipino restaurants dito. Na okay, decent yung pagkain nila. Pero kasi ang all time na pinupuntahan ko talaga dito, etong Kabayan. Kasi talagang okay yung pagkain nila dito. Masarap yung ano.
Brings me back.
The barbecue is really good.
Masarap yung barbecue nila dito, guys. Nandito kayo, punta kayo dito sa Kabayan, sa Long Preston Road and malapit din sa George Bush Highway. By the way, y'all, itong Filipino restaurant nila, I think it's open from 7 to 7 I think sila. Check natin mamaya sa door paglabas, record natin dun sa video. Tagal ko hindi kumain ng rice eh. Like 2 weeks yata, hindi ako nagra-rice. Diyos ko. Bigla ako nag-crave ng rice this time. Kaya, andaling ka namin dito, kain tayo dito. Kaunti na lang, no? Kaunti na lang. Makakarating ka na din dito. Tayo, ang sarap nung nung kalamansi. It's good. So yun lang, guys. Gusto kong makita nyo yung neighborhood namin dito sa Plano area. Plano, Texas, by the way. Yun nga, as I mentioned before, may 3 Filipino restaurants dito in the area. Hindi sila magkakalapit, sila, like, nakakalat ba or separated or something. So yeah, ito yung place na go-to ko pagka tinamad ako magluto, pumunta ako dito, bili ako ng food, iuwi ko sa bahay. Yung dalawa, although mas malapit sa house, mas gusto ko lang talaga kasi yung food nila dito sa Kabayan. Talagang yung lasa niya talagang lutong bahay and obviously yung mga nagpe-prepare ng food, familiar sila sa cuisine natin kasi mga Filipinos. Anyways, hopefully hindi ma-copyright kasi may mga music doon. So, diba? What do you think Tita Eliza's gonna order here?
Maybe sinigang.
Sinigang. Yeah, she likes sinigang.
Every Filipino likes sinigang except for me.
Yun lang.
But my dad says it's just because I ate it a lot when I was younger, so that's probably why I don't like it.
No, you probably got
Tired of it.
traumatized by a bad sinigang cooking.
Oh yeah, or that. I don't like it. It's just too sour, and I don't really like fish. Or, well, there's also beef sinigang. Wait, pork sinigang or
Pork.
pork sinigang?
There's
And
also fish sinigang.
I don't like fish sinigang. Pork sinigang, my dad made once. I ate it. It was good, but I wouldn't prefer it.
Ang sarap ng sabaw, ang asim. Woo! Damn.
It's
It's good. Yeah.
I like when my sinigang is extra sour.
I know, me too. That one's good. I like it. Should I finish this rice or should I just let it go? Finish it up, I guess. Sabaw ng sinigang ulit. Asim. Pero yo, okay dito. Yung price nila decent. Yung food nila masarap talaga. So I don't mind na babalik-balik ako dito pagka yung nagkaroon ng time na tinamad ka mag-cook, 'di ba? So okay lang, go to ko siya pagka nagutom. Medyo malayo lang sa house pero worth it naman puntahan dito. Worth it pumunta. Anyhow, ayun, natapos ko na yung aking food. Ano na? Ubos. Naubos ko. Ayan na, tingnan nyo. Destroyed. Ayun no, parang hindi ano eh. Parang hindi umorder ng food na empty yung tray, no. Caitlin mabagal eh kasi masakit yung teeth niya. But it's okay. Kain ka lang dyan.
All of this in here.
Silip-silip lang ko dito, ha? Natin kung ano meron dito, guys. Silipin lang natin. Kasi yung Asian grocery dito, okay naman siya, kaya alam minsan kulang-kulang, di ba? Parang, guys, parang magdagdag naman kayo ng item ng mga Filipino stuff. Ito madami sila eh. Yung mga tuna, oh. Century tuna, yung mga yan. Oh. Dami silang gamit dito eh. Dami silang items. Like, sobra-sobra yung nila, stock nila. Talagang buti nga dito, kompleto. Ayun, so anyways, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi ko nabibigay yung thoughts ko kasi baka sabihin nyo bias. So, we're just gonna leave it like that. Yung susunod na mga dalawang restaurants, try din natin yun para makita nyo rin yung mga sinaserve din nilang ibang food. Yung isa kasi, off the menu siya, hindi siya turo-turo style like this. Ito kasi turo-turo style kaya naka-display yung food. Yung isang restaurant, hindi siya turo-turo style menu. But anyways, we're gonna go there next. Tatry natin yung food nila and para makita nyo rin. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo to. Just in case nandito kayo sa Plano or Plano, Texas. At least may idea na kayo kung saan kayo kakain. Kung just in case naki-crave kayo ng Filipino food. Anyways, y'all. I will see you guys later. So, ayun, y'all. So, natapos na kami kumain. It was okay. Masarap yung food nila. So, last check tayo sa labas. Ayan ang Kabayan Filipino restaurant dito sa city of Plano. Ayan siya. So, alright, let's go. Is na tayo. Drive naman tayo dun sa isang Filipino restaurant naman. Try naman din natin yun. Tingnan natin kung compare ng kaunti siguro, but hindi natin siya talagang solidly compare kasi dapat mo naman magkakaiba ng style ng cooking ng mga Filipino food, but nasa flavor nagkakatalo yan, diba yun? So yun, dito na tayo sa car. Ang init, sobrang init, guys, sobrang init. Anyways, we'll check back again pagdating natin dun sa isang Filipino restaurant. Then mag-start ulit tayo ng recording dun. We'll see you guys later.